Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use a gift card when purchasing items on Shein. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shein application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Shein guys, you're going to go ahead and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you're going to go ahead and be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the Shein application, which is the shop where you can see all the items that you can purchase. As you can see, here is the shop, and at the bottom of the screen we can see all the pages that we can access, such as shop. Here we have the category section, the new card, profile section, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to use the gift card to lower our price when purchasing items. So guys, the first thing we have to do is go ahead and find the item that we want to purchase. So guys, go ahead and find any item that you want to buy. Go ahead guys and select it. After selecting it guys, this is now going to go ahead and open up the item, and you want to click on add to cart. Select what size you want and click add to cart, and now it's successfully added to your cart and we can proceed to checkout. So what we want to do guys, go ahead and click the cart option right here in the upper right corner. Click on cart guys, and this will now show us all the items we are purchasing, and just go ahead and click on checkout. Click on checkout guys, and this will now take us to this new page where we can go ahead and enter in our payment method, either using PayPal or credit card or maybe even Google Pay. Doesn't matter guys. And after you have entered your payment info, go ahead guys and scroll down until you find this option that says gift card. So as you can see, here is the option that says gift card guys. Go ahead and click on that, and here we can go ahead and enter in the gift card number and the pin, and after that guys, go ahead and click on apply, and this is going to go ahead and apply the gift card to your Shein price and lower the price. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how do you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.